In this video, we will discuss checking alerts on a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor. When an alert is present on a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor, the alert type will be displayed on the left side of the screen and an alert symbol will show in the top right of the screen. If there are multiple alerts, the screen will cycle between them. To view more details about the alerts, press the menu button. Select Alerts. Use the Next and Previous buttons to cycle between available alerts. Press View to view alert details. Press Clear to clear the alert and return to the Alerts menu. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.